Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Adventure 2025 motorcycle. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is built for those who crave the thrill of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. With a lightweight chassis, cutting-edge electronics, and a powerful yet refined engine, this bike is designed to tackle everything from city streets to the most challenging off-road trails. At the heart of the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is a liquid-cooled 373cc single-cylinder engine, delivering an exhilarating balance of power and efficiency. With improved fuel injection and a refined ride-by-wire throttle system, the response is sharper, ensuring smooth acceleration across all terrains. The engine's compact design keeps weight down while optimizing performance, making it the perfect companion for long-distance touring and spirited off-road riding. The chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring a lightweight yet robust trellis frame that provides excellent stability and agility. The bike's long-travel WP Apex suspension ensures a plush ride, absorbing rough terrain with ease. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising down highways, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 maintains confidence-inspiring control. One of the standout features of this model is its updated electronics package. The latest generation of traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs. The off-road mode enables controlled wheel slip, giving riders the ability to power through challenging surfaces with greater confidence. A quickshifter ensures seamless gear changes, enhancing both comfort and performance. The TFT display is brighter and more intuitive than ever, providing clear visibility in all lighting conditions. With smartphone connectivity, riders can access turn-by-turn navigation, control music, and manage calls directly from the screen. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 brings smart technology to the adventure riding experience, ensuring you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. When it comes to ergonomics, this bike is designed for all-day comfort. The adjustable seat height accommodates riders of various sizes, while the upright handlebars and wide footpegs provide a commanding stance. Whether standing on the pegs during an off-road section or cruising on the highway, the ergonomics ensure fatigue-free riding. The new model features an enhanced fuel tank design that increases capacity without compromising agility. With improved fuel efficiency, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 extends the distance between refueling stops, making it an excellent choice for long-distance adventurers. The redesigned windscreen offers better aerodynamics and wind protection, reducing fatigue during high-speed rides. Durability is a key focus of the KTM 390 Adventure 2025. The reinforced skid plate protects the engine and lower frame from impacts, while the high-mounted exhaust system ensures better clearance and reduces the risk of damage in deep-water crossings. Spoked wheels with tubeless tires add to the ruggedness, providing reliability even in the most remote locations. Braking performance is another highlight, with a high-spec by Bree braking system that delivers precise stopping power. The cornering ABS system enhances safety by preventing wheel lock-up during aggressive braking, especially on loose or slippery surfaces. Riders can deactivate the ABS for the rear wheel in off-road mode, allowing for better control in challenging conditions. Adventure riding often means unpredictable weather, and the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is prepared for it. The LED lighting system provides excellent visibility, even in foggy or nighttime conditions. Handguards and a reinforced subframe ensure the bike can withstand the demands of rugged terrain and long-haul expeditions. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is designed for personalization. With a wide range of official KTM power parts and accessories, riders can customize their bike to suit their needs. From luggage systems and crash bars to performance enhancements, the options are nearly limitless. For those looking to push their limits, the rally-style dashboard with an integrated trip computer offers real-time performance data. Whether tracking fuel consumption, distance covered, or altitude changes, the display keeps riders informed throughout their journey. The combination of power, agility, and advanced technology makes the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 a formidable choice in the adventure segment. It strikes the perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and the capability to handle extreme terrains. The refined engine mapping and improved clutch action ensure a smooth riding experience, whether commuting daily or embarking on a cross-country adventure. KTM's rally-inspired design philosophy is evident in every detail, from the aggressive bodywork to the premium finishes. The sharp lines and bold graphics give the bike an unmistakable presence, ensuring it stands out wherever it goes. The lightweight frame and optimized weight distribution make it easy to handle, even for less experienced riders venturing into the world of adventure motorcycling. One of the most exciting updates for the 2025 model is the integration of adaptive cruise control. This feature enhances long-distance riding comfort by maintaining a set speed and adjusting automatically based on traffic conditions. Combined with the improved wind protection and comfortable seating, this makes the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 an even more capable touring machine. The new model also benefits from improved heat management, with redesigned cooling fins and an upgraded radiator system. This ensures consistent performance in extreme conditions, whether riding through scorching deserts or high-altitude mountain passes. The bike's advanced EQ adapts to varying altitudes, maintaining optimal power delivery in all environments. For riders who enjoy night rides, the enhanced LED lighting system offers superior illumination. The adaptive headlight automatically adjusts its beam based on lean angle, ensuring better visibility through corners. This safety-focused feature adds another layer of confidence when tackling unknown roads after sunset. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is not just about performance, it's about enabling riders to explore new horizons. The lightweight design and responsive handling make it approachable for riders transitioning from smaller displacement motorcycles. At the same time, its advanced features and durability appeal to seasoned adventurers seeking a reliable and capable machine. KTM has also focused on sustainability, with the 2025 model featuring improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The Euro 6 compliant engine ensures the bike meets the latest environmental standards without compromising performance. This commitment to eco-friendly engineering makes the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 a responsible choice for modern adventure riders. The off-road prowess of the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is further enhanced by its lightweight construction and high ground clearance. The new generation frame geometry provides better weight distribution, improving stability in technical sections. The improved suspension settings offer better feedback, allowing riders to push harder with confidence. Long-distance riders will appreciate the inclusion of a new, high-capacity lithium-ion battery, reducing weight while providing reliable starting power in all conditions. The updated charging system allows for quick recharges, ensuring minimal downtime during long expeditions. In addition to performance upgrades, the 2025 model features a new color scheme inspired by KTM's racing heritage. The vibrant graphics and premium paint finish highlight the bike's aggressive character while ensuring durability against the elements. Connectivity is another strong point, with the KTM MyRide app offering enhanced smartphone integration. Riders can receive real-time traffic updates, weather alerts, and route suggestions, making every journey more seamless and enjoyable. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 continues to set the benchmark for lightweight adventure motorcycles. Its combination of power, technology, and durability ensures it remains a top choice for riders seeking versatility. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or tackling remote trails, this bike delivers an unparalleled riding experience. With an extensive dealer network and strong aftermarket support, KTM ensures riders have access to the best maintenance and upgrades. The 390 Adventure 2025 is built to last, with high-quality materials and precision engineering that make it a reliable partner for any adventure. From daily commutes to epic cross-country rides, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 adapts to every scenario. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle in traffic, while its off-road capabilities let riders escape the city and explore the wild. The seamless integration of advanced technology ensures a modern and intuitive riding experience. This bike embodies KTM's ready-to-race philosophy, blending performance with practicality. The powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, coupled with an array of rider aids, makes the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 one of the most well-rounded adventure motorcycles in its class. Adventure motorcycling is about freedom, exploration, and pushing beyond limits. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is built for those who dare to venture further, embracing the unknown with confidence and excitement. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a seasoned traveler, this bike is ready to take you wherever your heart desires. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.